Hi, my name is Terry Kempton, Parts and Service Manager for Bokan CDJR. And we have a new video series called Tech Tip of the Week, where we explain to you a procedure and services that we provide here at Bokan Automotive. On this week's episode, we're going to talk about brake and caliper service and how it's important to get this done to your vehicle at least once a year. And let's go to Jason Gavin, who's going to explain to you why it's important and why you should get it done.
So it's a good idea from a tech perspective to take your brakes apart once a year, clean and service them, and hopefully prevent the rust buildup that will inevitably fail you for Vermont State inspection. So the basic components of your brakes are the rotor, or some people call them a disc, your caliper, which squeezes your brake pads. Your brake pads go into this bracket. To make sure that these pads slide in their respective brackets and that there's no rust buildup on the contact points, as well as taking this over to the vise and using some sandpaper or an abrasive wheel and cleaning the glaze off. The shiny glaze is what causes that high-pitched metallic squeal that you hear when you step on the brakes. So in this bracket you can see there's a lot of dust and rust buildup, as well as all of this dust that's gone kind of collected and got into this groove. I've already cleaned one out so you can see the way it's supposed to be, and making sure that all of the contact points as well as the sliding pins continue to slide and have the lubrication they need. So we've got our clean and service brake pads back in their bracket. Contact points have been cleaned and lubricated, and as you can see, the pad now cleanly retracts from the rotor. And again, this is a service that we would recommend doing annually. So once a year, good time to do that's usually spring or fall, before or after the sloppy winter.
That's this week's Tech Tip of the Week. If you have any questions about your vehicle, leave them in the comments below. And at Bokan, you can.